Do you know it's very important for your kids to walk on the sand at the beach? Yeah, you get me right. It's more than a therapist. It's more than a sensory run. Yeah, sometimes just take them out to relax, especially in sensitive and beautiful places that works like a therapist for kids. On
Where
this
the
day,
show?
I decided to take my kids out to the beach. We took some
Yeah, it's
beautiful
so nice.
pictures with my sisters and my kids auntie. As you see, they were so excited and very happy to walk in the water. This was their first time actually
This,
witnessing
you are
beach,
good.
and they had a lot of fun activities. And mommies, don't miss out in playing with them on
Person
the
I'm
beach with the sand. See, they did so much, and this was the time we're going back.